For the very first time is one,
Okay.
two, or it's
Been mixing this up
episode 4
for
or 5,
quite a
1, 2,
while
3,
now.
6.
There's that.
Because yes, you did it wrong. Mainly because your first immersion into the Star Wars universe, you had to deal with Jar Jar Binks. You know, if George Lucas was going to change anything, he should have deleted Jar Jar out of all of the movies.
And here's the real problem.
But
how did we get Luke to want to do this? Luke wanted to save his sister. It was so awful. You have to watch it like as your experience.
yeah. So see, the way you should watch it, if you've never seen it before, like when I have kids, this is the way they're going to watch it. It's going to be 1 and 2, or episodes 4 and 5. The old ones. And then, at the end of Empire Strikes Back, you find out that Darth Vader is Luke Skywalker's father, which is a giant surprise. No, but if you're a kid, it would be. So you find out that, you know...
I was going to watch 4, 5, 6, then what?
The way I think that the very first time...
Actually, I played.
Should be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. Because Empire Strikes Back, you find out that Darth Vader is super competitive, then you jump back to the story of Darth Vader.
That is brilliant.
And then, when you've seen the saga of Darth Vader and growing up and all the emo shit
Yeah.
he went through because he's a pussy,
How long was that?
then you see...
That felt like a minute.
Yeah.